is a process of manipulating DNA of an organism and altering one's characteristics using tools and techniques from biotechnology and bioengineering.
The goal being to have genetically modified organism expresses the new acquired trait and or to observe the changes made to the said animal.
Genetic engineering can go from changing a base pair to introducing a copy of gene or deleting a whole region of DNA. Genetic engineering has been going on for quite a few years, where the first genetically modified organism to be created was a bacterium in 1973 and genetically modified food in 1994.
While many may agree genetic engineering is a beneficial factor to our society, there are still a few people who say genetic engineering raises a few ethical questions.
Alright, as much of a problem genetic engineering could be, it could also be really beneficial. In a case study we have particularly looked at, we could see the benefits of genetic engineering. It was done on plants. We have so many radioactive areas in the American United States that we do not realize. This causes cancers, sites, and more people being affected to germs or even pathogens that could cause cancer. The plants have been known to break down these pathogens into biochemical compounds that do not harm us.
Timing that the plants have to go through. Other products were used in order to do the job that the plants were supposed to do. But although these products do have a flaw, and it is that they don't contribute to the nature as though a tree would or a plant. These products use up much more materials than as a plant would. Therefore, the scientists went ahead and tried to genetically modify the plants in order to do this process faster.
Genetically engineering these plants, scientists were able to get these plants to but to produce those enzymes at higher rates. That way, the process became 99% faster. Now, our plants could do what we want.
We have talked about an ethical side to genetic engineering and its benefits, but there's also an unethical side to it. For example, there was a case involving toxins in a genetically engineered organism that affected a woman's fetus.
More studies continue to emerge that allow us to better understand genetically engineered organisms, as well as the potential dangers associated with them. The researchers from Canada have successfully identified the presence of pesticides associated with genetically engineered foods in maternal, fetal, and non-pregnant women's blood. The case study used both blood samples from 30 pregnant women as well as 30 non-pregnant women. The study also pointed out that the fetus is considered to be highly susceptible to the adverse effects of foreign chemical substances found within an organism that is not naturally produced. This is why the study emphasizes that knowing more about genetic engineering is crucial, because environmental agents could disrupt the biological events that are required to ensure normal growth and development.
Biotechnology presents an exciting range of possibilities from feeding the hungry to preventing and treating disease. However, these promises are not without potential peril. Some of the issues that need to be considered are the following. What about social concerns? If the blending of animal and human DNA results in ceramic entities possessing degrees of intelligence or sentience never seen in human before, should these entities be given special protection and rights? What if any, social and legal control or reviews should be placed on such research? And also, this could go to the case studies that these two scientists have looked at. What about extrinsic concerns, such as with the tomatoes? If any health risks are associated with transgenic and genetically modified foods, or even the plants, are there long effects on the environment when transgenic or genetically modified organisms are released in the field? Should we be really doing this?